Will the chairman keep his job?
Good morning, Nara. We're going into a very tense AGM as far as AGMs go. The chairman has really been in the spotlight recently. Bloomberg News reporting that a number of top shareholders, including the Qatari royal family, Cerberus Capital, have been frustrated with his performance as chair of the bank. This according to people familiar with the matter. On top of that, regulators also have been making some noise. It looks like the ECB doesn't want to be a bystander anymore, and they have said to say that they think the bank would be better off in a better position without him. You don't normally see regulators and the ECB officials get involved in banks executive like that. This is a man who's been at the helm, at the chair for 7 years. He's been through 3 management committees, 4 strategic overhauls, and still the share price just keeps tumbling for Deutsche Bank. Now, whatever comes out of this meeting, if there is a no confidence vote, it doesn't necessarily mean anyone has to step down. There's no real consequences, but it certainly will put pressure on the supervisory board, at the very least, to start talking about succession planning.
Look, the bottom line is this deal with Commerzbank fell apart thus far. What are the options post-CBK?
Well, post that Commerzbank deal, that crosstown rival potential takeover merger fell apart, they're working on a plan B, so to say. Christian Saving, he's an unapologetic cost cutter. That's what he was at the retail bank. Manis, they've even cut things as the fruit bowls from Deutsche Bank. What's next? Many say they have to start trimming the investment bank. The big question for Deutsche Bank is, do they want to be a big investment bank or not? Of course, the chair, that's what he's always wanted and dreamed for the bank, to rival the main big U.S. Wall Street banks. But many say they need to start trimming the investment bank. It's a huge behemoth in terms of the bonuses it pays out, but the funds it's making is just not there. This is just one of the things that is going to be obviously talked about here. There are clouds, gloomy clouds really surrounding Deutsche Bank. Just yesterday we heard from Steve Mnuchin. He's going to be looking into transactions for the bank following those New York Times report about the bank dealing with President Donald Trump's businesses. But really today is going to be what's the next step forward. Everyone will be looking to hear what their answers are about strategic planning, definitely following that collapse of talks with Commerzbank.